This is Justin Pulitzer. It's December 14th, 2014. This is a video on GoPro, and I want to just show you guys some levels and what I'm seeing in the chart. So we have a primary trend line here. You have a stock that has been coming down precipitously, and I had been discussing that this stock was basically just a range trade, with 86 being the high and 64.14-ish being the low. And you can see we violated that low. We've violated now primary trend, and we're starting to close below that trend. That to me is very is showing that it's bearish, because now everybody who bought up here is now wrong. I would say the kind of redeeming qualities that the bulls kind of have going for them here is that the 61.8 fib is it is significantly lower. I mean, it's about $5 lower at the 55.32. And my opinion, any break of this trend line here really puts the breakout from the IPO at 49.90 into play, and possibly even to test a little bit lower right into this area. So somewhere between 48.40 and 49.90. I would say that if this general area can hold and we can get back up above this sort of, you had this bounce here off the area, you had an attempted rally and then a breakdown. If we can get back up above the breakdown high of day, which was the 68.5-ish level, so somewhere between 68.5 and 68.75, then I would say that the stock is probably looking to play some repair, and that this was a look below range and fail. And now we may come back up to retest the downtrend line, and possibly somewhere in one of these moving averages, maybe the 50 would be a good spot as well. However, like I said, anything below this downtrend, I think, puts those 49s into play. So what was strange with this chart, it's kind of been a bit messy. I'm going to do a little bit more of real-time drawing here for you. Is you can see you had this earnings gap. I'll just leave it green for now. You can see you had the high, the lower high, and then you came down here to make a bit of a lower low, and then you had this earnings gap that came back up above the trend line and then followed through. And the odd part here is that this was looking to me like it was a bit of a professional gap. So anything really below this this gap day low really put the stock into negating the pattern and looking bearish. So that's why this doesn't surprise me that we came down here. So just keep those levels in mind. Anything, like I said, below this trend is bearish down to the 49s possibly. And if you can get back up above these highs, the 68.5 to 68.75, that range, I think you can probably play the stock get long again to the primary downtrend line. So that's GoPro in a nutshell. Anyway, have a great rest of your weekend, although there's not that much time left to it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Be sure to follow me on Twitter. My handle is @JustinPulitzer, and let's trade this accordingly. Cheers.